If it's Mary, her name is actually, her full name is Myra Ben Ivrolkine, which means Mary, woman of Gobrolkon. Okay, and yeah, so the E is the genitive of O. Okay, it means of O.
Can't we reinstall it?
So this is Jeopardy Irish names for 400.
Yeah, right. Okay, so there's the difference. So there's two things that happen. This is all in the genitive. Okay, so this is literally, yeah, Mary, woman of O of Brolkine. Okay.
So when you see that, you know that means it's from a woman. Okay.
It means it's a married woman. So if it was, you know, her daughter Nuala would be Nuala Nivorokine. Okay, that would be her daughter.
Oh, okay. So it distinguishes being married into the family as part.
Yeah, because it's really a woman of Brolkine.
Right.
So
Yeah.
it's like son just out.
Huh?
Is the son just out?
Let me clear this.
Yeah, O is like, O is the one that's kind of grandson of or something like that, so this would be of grandson of Brolkine. Okay? And then, so that's why the names change, yeah.
Maybe like Eula's
And
brother.
Hmm?
He'd be just O. Or does he have some special, not married yet, on too?
Yeah, so Nuala's brother, you know, yeah, it would be Donal. He would keep that one. Donal O'Brolkine. O'Brolkine. Okay? So those are good kids. And there's a tendency, a lot of women in Ireland use the maiden name Ni with their actual maiden name.
Don't use Danny though.
That would be a little bit, to write it fully out would be a little bit more formal. You know, but you don't have to put the band part on there. If you want to say Mrs. O'Brolkine, then you say Banny Brolkine. So that's what's being done in here. But you could say Myra Banny Brolkine, which is a little bit more formal than just saying Myra E. Brolkine. Yeah. All right. Okay. Yeah, there's a lot more to it. Yeah, I mean the names change when you address people too. And, you know. Yeah. So actually, I don't have a big dictionary.
Does Mac do the same thing? Or Mick?
Yeah, Mac does also.
So what am I?
So.
You're his position. I know, I guess I'm not Van.
Banvik. Yeah. So the equivalent for O here is Mac. This one is Vic, which is of Mac. And this one is Nick. And this stays the same Mac. All right. So where were we? Okay. Shanalecha, doctor. Okay. So it goes on. Yenach and Farsho and Gno. So this man would do the job. Yenach would do. And Farsho, this man, and Gno, the job. So this man will do, basically. Okay. And it's related. The word Jane is to do. If you want to say this man did the job, Rinya and Farsho and Gno. Okay. Meaning he. Yeah. Okay. Number 15. Hiul she'eshteach agus hoga enam don chalin egen desk. So Hiul she'eshteach, he walked in. Agus hoga enam gave his name. Don chalin, to the girl. And don meaning to the, aspirates the word after it. Okay. Don chalin egen desk, at the desk. Okay. So Hiul she'eshteach agus hoga enam don chalin egen desk. Now, what if we wanted to say that, we'll flip it around and, how about she walked in and gave her name to the boy at the desk? Yul, who? Hofshi Hanum Don Wuchel. Yeah, okay, Don Wuchel. So again, the Don aspirates this word. Hanum, her name. Okay. Hanum. So the meaning his doesn't do anything to a vowel, but the meaning hers sticks an H on it. Okay. Okay, now 16. Rory Shisha is Jach so Shomer Feheve. So Rory directed Shisha, so she directed him. Is Jach sa in the Shomer Fehev, room of waiting. Okay. Rory Shisha is Jach so Shomer Feheve. So how would you say in this case, he directed her into the waiting room? So Rory Sheshin instead of Shisha is Jach so Shomer Fehev E, her.
What does the shisha mean then?
Shisha because you don't really need to have Shisha here. You could say she and it sounds fine. So I don't know why it's
Why?
right. Yeah, she because more emphasis, but yeah. Okay,
How do you pronounce the first word again?
Rory. Rory. Yeah, if they use the same H, it's followed by an R in Irish. Rory. Okay. Number 17. Vi and Shoma plode Heladin. So the room was packed with people. Plodeha is packed. Plodeha, usually with people when you have plodeha. Okay. You can just say vi and Shoma plodeha, the room was packed and it's understood. You don't have to say ladini, but okay. Number 18. Vi kommer na bochtenachta war. So first of the word anwachtenach is poverty, literally in Irish the poverty, and of poverty or of the poverty, nabochtenachta. So the word koma is one way, it means appearance, and it's used to describe how people or things look a lot of times. To say the appearance of something was on them. Appearances are on you, okay? Colors are on you, appearances are on you, okay? So, kommen bochtenachta war. The word for war means majority or most of, so on most of them, okay?
That's the last word again.
A war. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Number 19. Stan she go fisrach an golik hostasach avi So stare they inquisitively go fisrach. Okay. And goli on the suit. Hostasach. The word hostasach means expensive. It has a ch at the beginning because the koli is feminine. So it has to aspirate the word after it. And goli hostasach avir that was on him. Okay, that he had on. And number 20. Dairi se michum hordach margarev gach dene gavarker agus hog she irish on mord agus lig she gorev she alev. So Dairi se michum hordach, he became uncomfortable. The way you become something in Irish, if you are it, like Tasha michum hordach, he is uncomfortable, is you rise, you use the word Iri, okay?
Yeah.
So you say it got cold, Dairi shefur. It got cold, it literally rose cold, okay? So the word Iri is another one of those words like van and kaf that has a lot of different meanings depending on how you use it, okay? And it doesn't just mean rise, the road doesn't rise with you, your journey succeeds, okay? You don't rise uncomfortable, you become uncomfortable, and Dairi just means that, okay? So Dairi shemichum pordach, he became uncomfortable. Margarev means because that. Mar has a few different meanings. Often it's used to mean because, okay, or since. So Margarev, because that was Gachdina, every person. Aurk the word aurk is like brand new. It means to watch. So everyone was watching him. Okay. Agus hogshe irish on mord, and took he a magazine from the table on Mord. Agus lig she'er, and he let on himself, or he pretended. Go rev she'alev, that he was at its reading, he was reading it. Okay? So look at a couple examples with the expression to pretend. So she said, did you see him? Wakatue. And you can say, I pretended that I saw him. Ligme oram gawakame. And then, did you hear him? Or hula tu a. And I pretended that I heard him. Ligme oram gerhula me a. Okay.
How do you change that to say, I pretended I didn't hear him?
Ligme oram nar hula me a.
Oh, okay.
Nar. Okay.
Lig has a lot of different meanings.
Lig also has a lot of different meanings, yeah. And if you wanted to say I didn't see, use nach waka.